GBPUSD technical analysis starting on the monthly time frame. We have our monthly upper zone and then our monthly lower zone as well. Now, if you take a closer look at this pair, you can see that we have buy protection from below and then also sell protection from above. So this can be called a range or a consolidation market. And then once price has been able to find buy pressure here, that means that it has the highest probability of going all the way to touch the next zone above before a possible change in direction to the downside again will happen. All right, so you're going to take this analysis onto various time frames, and we're going to look for a buy all the way to the upside to capitalize in the overall direction that we have predicted here on this monthly time frame. All right, so let's take you to the weekly time frame and then have a closer look as well. All right, so this is the weekly time frame on GBPUSD. We have our weekly upper zone, weekly mid-range zone, and then our weekly lower zone as well. So these zones are levels of sensitivity which price has to respect, okay, in accordance with the structure of this particular time frame. All right, now let me go closer to this recent price action here on this weekly time frame, and then let's put meaning into this time frame very quick. All right, so here I'm seeing that price has been able to make a push to the upside, breaking above this lower zone, came for exhaustion. What happens after exhaustion? Continuation now move to the upside, okay, but this continuation move to the upside is not yet complete. Why? Because continuation move will also complete at what? An area of what? Sensitivity. So price has what? A full, okay, price has a full area to occupy here before this move reaches this weekly mid-range zone, before we see a sell to the downside, before price goes to the upside, or possible a break above this what high all the way to the upside to continue in that analysis, or to continue in that direction that we did predict on the monthly time frame. All right, so let's take it to the daily time frame and look at what the daily also has to offer us. And then remember, what we have here, we have a lot of space over here, which you are going to go picking a buy just around this level. Okay, you're going to pick a buy from here to here, okay, because there's what? So much space over here. Once price get to this level, you're going to wait and then see how price will react at this level, because price can either drop, okay, at this level before it goes to the upside over here, or it can possibly break above. We do not know, but what we can predict now is the move from here all the way to this level. So that is what we are going to capitalize on once we go onto the level that we are going to be picking our entry. All right, so let's take it to the daily time frame very quick. All right, so this is the daily time frame on GBPUSD. Let's put meaning to this time frame also. All right, so we have our daily mid-range zone over here, and if you take a closer look, you can see that price has been able to break above this what? Daily mid-range zone. Once price has been able to break above this daily mid-range zone, that means that we have a free range to the target that we predicted on the weekly time frame. Okay, so we are going to go on to the level where we are going to pick our entry, and we'll just pick what? We look for what? A buy here all the way to the upside at this level, because you have already explained why we are coming all the way to this level, and not breaking above it or dropping. Sorry, okay, let me take it again. As I said, you're going to be picking a buy from here all the way to the upside to this level, because we have already explained why we are coming all the way to this level, and then why we are not breaking above, because once price gets here, you can see sell pressure and then drop to the downside again. All right, so let's take you to the forward time frame where we are picking our entry for each. All right, so this is the forward time frame, and this is how our setup looks like. Okay, very simple and then very neat. Okay, I always advise that keep your chart neat, okay, because you know everything neat in life has its what? Positive vibe, so has its positive effect on everything. Okay, I don't want to go there. Let me just let me just focus on the analysis. All right, so we have our for each upper zone here and our for each lower zone as well. And then if you want to explain this forward time frame, let's put meaning into it as well very quick. All right, so we are seeing 4-hour push to the upside, 4-hour exhaustion. What should happen is 4-hour continuation and move to the upside. But two things can happen over here. You know we have seen a push, you know we have seen exhaustion, okay, and then continuation move is about to happen on this 4-hour time frame. But as I said, two things can happen over here, right? So price can go all the way, touch the previous high on this 4-hour time frame, okay, and then will fail to break above. Instead, it will drop back to pick buy pressure here and then go all the way to the upside. Okay, so our first entry or our first way of entering this market is going to be this way. Okay, this is a push, this exhaustion. Price price is yet to come up again, okay, to have contact with the lower, sorry, with the higher high over here, or with the previous high over here, right? But once price comes into contact with this high and then fails to break, that means that it will come back here to find buy pressure and go all the way to the upside. Once that happens, we are going to pick a buy over here to the upside. Okay, number two is that price can either break above, okay, and then have something of this sort. Let me just make this setup very quick. Okay, all right, that's it. All right, So if price, okay, um manages to break above this high, okay, with a push to the upside, what are we going to do? We're going to wait for exhaustion and then pick a buy also here to the upside. Okay, so I believe you guys have seen the two scenarios that we're going to enter this market with. Number one, as I said, is that if price gets to this level and then fails to break above, but instead drops back again, we pick a buy here to the upside. Okay, number two is that if price manages also to break above the previous high over here to the upside with a push, what do? We wait for exhaustion and we pick a buy here as well to the upside. Okay, this is going to be our target because we have already explained why we are coming all the way to this level. So this is my full view on GBPUSD. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit on the bell icon, okay, and then smash the like button as well. Leave a comment below also to help the channel out, and then don't forget to join my Telegram channel in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Stay classy, treat classy, peace.